Today is all about the 2 day delay, along with some other challenges. When we talk about the 2 day delay, we're talking about how our body feels like an utter train wreck, usually about 2 days after we've done something. So, for dancers who train maybe once, twice a week, if you think about how your body feels, not typically the next day, but the day after that, we usually are not exactly feeling the greatest. And this takes some getting used to. Many people call this the 2 day delay. This is a good part of training. This means that you have worked your body and your muscles are doing what they're supposed to. That gnarly feeling that you got is all of your muscle repair happening, and it's how you're going to get stronger. I see and hear, though, a lot of dancers want to take those days off because you just don't feel good. You actually want to power through. So there's a difference. You need to understand your body and know when there's a time to stop. There are certain days that you really should not be dancing, and I understand that because you don't want to have an injury occur. However, if you're getting that 2 day delay and it's because you've been working, then I'm going to tell you to suck it up because that is going to be how you get even stronger by powering through that. If you keep stopping, you're never going to see progress. There are certain other challenge days where sometimes we did another activity throughout the week and we're a little sore from that. That could be a 2 day delay from something else. Again, so long as you're not on the verge of injury and you are paying attention to your body, you should be able to power through. It's not going to be easy. That doesn't mean you're going to have the greatest class or whatever. It just means that you're building strength and you're becoming a better version of you. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about recovery. I will see you then.